What is non-surgical facelift?
What is a non-surgical facelift? Now, non-surgical facelifts can be done with a variety of treatments like threads, fillers, Botox, and a lot of other things. But today we are talking about thread lift to be specific. Now, thread lift is done with a dissolvable suture made of polydioxanone, and that is why they're also called PDO thread. As mentioned, it's a dissolvable suture. तो बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि अगर हम थ्रेड्स कराएंगे तो वो जाएगा कहाँ, कब तक रहेगा. सो a thread typically dissolves in around 4 to 6 months on its own in your body.
How does COG thread lift work?
PDO threads or COG threads work by acting like templates for collagen remodeling, and that is how they lift the sagging tissue. Now, majorly they work in two ways. Number one, they act as templates for collagen remodeling, which means, let's take the example of a building. So your pillars are your threads and the cement is your collagen. मतलब वो एक टेम्पलेट की तरह एक्ट करते हैं जिसके चारों तरफ आपका अपना खुद का कोलेजन रीमॉडल या रीबिल्ड होता है. So that is why I also say a thread lift is actually a natural lifting procedure, because ultimately it's your own collagen that's lifting the tissue. Number two, it's also because the way they are made. Now, a thread or a COG thread behaves like a barbed wire. For the specific, it's like a fish hook. So when we put threads inside your skin, they cling onto the skin or they hook onto the tissue. And when we do that pulling motion, that lifting motion, your skin gets lifted. Now, the immediate results of a COG thread are not very promising. You can get around 5, 10, 20% result depending on patient to patient. But जो COG thread का final result है वो around 1 to 3 months में आता है, and sometimes also 6 months. Why? Because I already mentioned आपका खुद का collagen stimulate करता है एक thread. So जितना time आपके खुद के collagen को stimulate होने में लगेगा उतना time आपको results दिखने में भी लगेगा. So yes, they're a beautiful procedure and they work very effectively, but what is required is patience.